Alright, so let's talk about Scala. Scala was designed by Martin Odersky, who's a PhD in computer science and a faculty member of Lausanne Polytechnic School in Switzerland. Design began officially in 2003, but more unofficially, starting in 1997, Odersky and others began work on what became known as the pizza programming language, which had the goal of adding generics and other functional programming constructs to the JVM. Now, eventually, generics and much later, functional programming were added to Java proper. At the time, Odersky and I believe some of his colleagues actually, when generics became a part of the Java specifications, he rewrote the compiler at the time to include them, and I believe that's the compiler he wrote remains the base compiler for Java today. Scala was designed with the goal of leveraging Java, but not simply to make a better Java. He didn't want to change syntax around and keep the same ideas. He was actually looking to make changes under the hood, most notably with the addition of functional programming constructs. So what is Scala? It is a general purpose, statically typed language with strong type inference. So it's not domain specific. It can be used to solve general computing problems. Data types are identified at compile time, and the type inference allows the auto detection of data types, which is different than C and Java and a number of other languages. So Scala is expression oriented, which means that most things in in Scala are expressions that are evaluated rather than statements that are executed. Scala compiles to Java bytecode and runs on a JVM, so it goes without saying you need a Java installation in order to take advantage of Scala. It has seamless integration with Java. It can call existing Java code, use existing Java objects. It can extend Java classes. Scala is object-oriented, but has very strong support and even a preference for functional style programming. So it supports the imperative style that goes hand in hand with what we think of object-oriented programming, but also adds very strong functional constructs as well. The inclusion of the functional side of things allows for mutability to be easily achieved. So we can have variables that cannot be altered once they're defined and assign values. And this particular characteristic makes concurrency and distributed application development easier.